Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to join the AoT Revelation server on Discord, then this video is for you. So first you have to do is simply go to the Discord. You can use your Discord application also, and you have to log into your account. Now here you can find the plus icon, the add a server. Simply click on it, and from here at the bottom you can find join a server option. Simply click on it, and from here search for AoT Revolution, and simply click on join server, and you will find this AoT Revelation where it will ask for some question. So you can just what do you want to be notified about. You can snake bag, discount events, legendary pings, any of this like you guys. So simply click on next. Now here is the rules and terms and conditions here. Simply click on finish, and when you click on finish you can find you can join the link here. So just like this, join this this server here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.